আপনার প্রিয় তারকার লেটেস্ট আপডেট জানতে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন সিটি সিনেমা ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে আর বেল বাটন ক্লিক করতে ভুলবেন না।
बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपके इस कन्वर्सेशन में और सबसे पहले तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन फॉर द सक्सेस ऑफ लाइक नंबर ऑफ हिट्स
Yeah, thank you.
how it's feel and like what's going on your headspace nowadays and क्या कितना अच्छा महसूस हो रहा है?
It's an overwhelming feeling. It feels so good to know that I've done something that the audience has loved and they're accepting me as an actor, as an artist, as a performer, and it's not easy to have the acceptance from the audience. और मैं बहुत thankful हूँ, grateful हूँ क्योंकि ये love and support जो सब लोग ने दिया है मैंने नहीं expect किया। मुझे पता था कि गाना hit होगा but इतना मैंने नहीं expect किया।
So like dance like item numbers like really excites you that like जब भी हमने देखा है item number करते हुए
या म्यूजिक वीडियोस करते हैं
तो like that really excites you to choose a project or something
else? No, it's just what excites me. For example, अगर आप item songs के बारे में बात कर रहे हो तो अगर गाना अच्छा है तो of course it's gonna excite me, it'll excite everybody. If it sounds good, if the creative is good, if the visuals will be good, the dance will be good, it excites any performer, any artist because we're all artistic in the end of the day. But for me, it has to be a full package. Like item songs excite me, of course, if it's in a good film, if it's with a good actor, if it's with a good producer director, if the song sounds really good. Like जब मैंने दिलबर सुना था, of course I was like, whoa, the composition of the song, the rhythm of the song, everything was perfect. Music videos excite me if the theme is good, if the storyline is good, or even if the song sounds different. Like Na with Hardy Sandhu, जब मैंने गाना सुना था उस time, I was like, this is something different. You know what I mean? This will do very well. So for me, it has to be something different. It has to be something I know which I would be able to perform in, and the audience will really like. So it really depends.
Like belly dance which you have done in a song,
Dilbar.
Like Dilbar. Like it's become iconic, like everyone is doing and like,
yeah
you really like to like dance like belly dance?
I like to do every kind of dance. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Which one you
I love to do like styles जो होते हैं urban styles जैसे afro, dancehall, hip hop, urban, funk, Bollywood of course. बहुत मज़ा आता है जब मैं Bollywood करती हूँ. And belly dance because belly dance is just visually very appealing, and already there is this love for belly dance in Bollywood and in India, and a lot of people are taking classes, a lot of people are trying to learn, and to see that there are little kids and grown-up people doing the signature step of Dilbar or trying to do it, it's actually really nice. It's inspiring. Yeah, just keep watching Dilbar, keep sharing Dilbar, and thank you for all the love and the support, and I'm really humbled by it and so grateful from the bottom of my heart, and just love you guys, and hopefully I keep making you proud.
One expression Dilbar. Like expression, no dance.
I can't remember anything. अरे ऐसे नहीं होता है. I have to be on set with the music and the feel.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
সিটি সিনেমা ইউটিউব চ্যানেলটি আপনাদের ভালো লাগলে লাইক করুন, সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন এবং অবশ্যই কমেন্ট করুন। আপনার প্রিয় তারকার লেটেস্ট আপডেট জানতে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন সিটি সিনেমা ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে আর বেল বাটন ক্লিক করতে ভুলবেন না।